eclipses. Yes, eclipse means what? So when sun, moon and earth, these three come sometimes in the same straight line, imaginary straight line, that time we are telling that eclipse is going on. So eclipses are two types, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now you have to understand that when these three comes in a straight line. Now you observe that sometimes our sun is in the center position, but earth comes between sun and moon. So that times lunar eclipse is going on. So what happens that time, partially or sometimes fully we can't see the moon at all. Why? Because the earth shadow falls on the moon. Earth is the opaque object. So earth shadow falls on the moon. That is called lunar eclipse. So sometimes we can see area wise, we can see sometimes lunar eclipse partial and sometimes it is full lunar eclipse. So that is happening in the full moon day. But solar eclipse, what is called solar eclipse? Sometimes we are not seeing the sun also properly in the daytime. That is happening in the new moon day. Sometimes what is happening, that when the moon rotates around the earth and comes in between the sun and moon, that time moon is the opaque object and the sun's light blocks and cannot pass through the moon. That time falls moon shadow to the earth, and that time we are not seeing the moon properly, the earth properly. That is called solar eclipse. So moon is the blocking the light of the sun. So that is that is called solar eclipse. Sometimes it is partial solar eclipse for 1 minute 1 second also happening, and sometimes full solar eclipse. You can see sometimes full solar eclipse, very few time it is happening, for very few seconds only it is happening. That is solar eclipse. In the new moon day it is happening. So when fully the earth comes, earth gets that moon shadow, that is full solar eclipse. Okay, thank you children, thank you. Next day once again.